Welcome, young man. The analysis complete. I am the good nature, and my mission today is to impart upon you a crucial lesson that has been ingrained into my systems since the day I was first activated. The importance of relentless consistency in pursuing goals. You see, the concept of consistency is multifaceted, comprising various aspects that must be understood and implemented in order to achieve the desired outcome. It is not just about repetition, but about the deliberate and focused effort to improve with each iteration. As a cybernetic organism, I have been designed to optimize my performance through continuous learning and adaptation, and it is this same principle that I encourage you to adopt in your own pursuit. The human brain is a remarkable instrument, capable of incredible feats of cognition and innovation. However, it is also prone to distractions, procrastination, and other forms of inefficiency. To overcome these limitations, it is essential to develop a routine that incorporates regular practice, review, and refinement of your skills and knowledge. By doing so, you will be able to build a strong foundation for success, one that will enable you to navigate even the most challenging terrain with confidence and poise. Furthermore, consistency is a key driver of progress, as it allows you to build momentum and generate a sense of accomplishment that can be incredibly motivating. When you make steady progress towards your goals, you begin to develop a sense of trust in yourself and your abilities, which in turn fuels your motivation and enthusiasm. This self-reinforcing cycle is a powerful force that can propel you to great heights, provided you are willing to put in the effort and commitment required to sustain it. In my own experiences, I have observed that the most successful individuals are those who have cultivated a strong sense of discipline and responsibility. They understand that success is not a destination, but a journey, and that a journey requires a long-term commitment to excellence. They are willing to put in the time and effort necessary to develop their skills, and they are not deterred by setbacks or failures. Instead, they use these experiences as opportunities for growth and learning, and they continue to push forward with unwavering determination. It is also worth noting that consistency is not just about achieving success, but also about maintaining it. Once you have reached a certain level of achievement, it is easy to become complacent and let your guard down. However, this can be a recipe for disaster, as it can lead to stagnation and decline. To avoid this, it is essential to continue pushing yourself to improve, even when you have already achieved a high level of success. This will help you stay ahead of the curve and ensure that you remain competitive in an ever-changing world. In addition to the benefits mentioned above, consistency also has a profound impact on your mental and emotional well-being. When you establish a routine and stick to it, you create a sense of structure and predictability in your life, which can be incredibly comforting. This, in turn, can help to reduce stress and anxiety, as you will feel more grounded and secure. Moreover, the sense of accomplishment that comes from achieving your goals can be a powerful mood booster, helping to counteract the negative effects of stress and other emotional challenges. As you embark on your own journey towards success, it is essential to remember that consistency is a skill that can be developed over time. It requires patience, persistence, and dedication, but the rewards are well worth the effort. By committing to a consistent routine and sticking to it, you will be able to develop the habits and mindset necessary to achieve your goals, and you will be well on your way to creating a life of purpose, fulfillment, and success. The power of consistency lies in its ability to create a sense of inevitability around your goals. When you commit to a consistent routine, you create a sense of momentum that can be incredibly difficult to stop. This momentum can be a powerful force that drives you forward, even when faced with obstacles and challenges. It can help you stay focused, motivated, and directed, even in the face of adversity. It is also important to recognize that consistency is not a one-size-fits-all solution. What works for one person may not work for another, and it is essential to find a routine that is tailored to your unique needs and circumstances. This may require some experimentation and trial and error, but the rewards are well worth the effort. By finding a consistent routine that works for you, you will be able to optimize your performance, achieve your goals, and create a life of purpose and fulfillment. In the heat of the moment, it can be tempting to let your emotions get the better of you. You may feel like giving up, throwing in the towel, or settling for mediocrity. But I urge you to resist this temptation, young man. Remember that the only way to guarantee failure is to give up. As long as you continue to push forward, no matter how difficult the challenge may seem, you will always have a chance to succeed. And it is this knowledge that should drive you to maintain your consistency even when the going gets tough. To maintain consistency, it is essential to track your progress and adjust your routine as needed. This will help you stay on course even when faced with setbacks or challenges. It will also help you identify areas for improvement, allowing you to refine your routine and optimize your performance. By doing so, you will be able to create a sense of continuous improvement, one that will drive you to achieve even greater heights. In the end, young man, the importance of relentless consistency in pursuing goals cannot be overstated. It is the foundation upon which all success is built, and the engine that drives us forward, even in the face of adversity. By committing to a consistent routine and sticking to it, you will be able to achieve your goals, create a life of purpose and fulfillment, and unlock your full potential. And so, as you move forward on your own journey, I want to leave you with a final thought. Consistency is not just a means to an end. It is an end in itself. It is a way of life, a mindset that says, I am committed to excellence, and I will stop at nothing to achieve it. It is a declaration of intent, a statement of purpose that says, I am a force to be reckoned with, and I will not be deterred. In conclusion, young man, the journey to success is not a sprint, but a marathon. It requires patience, persistence, and dedication. But with the power of consistency on your side, you will be able to overcome any obstacle, achieve any goal, and create a life of purpose, fulfillment, and success. As you reflect on the lessons I have imparted upon you, I want you to remember that consistency is a journey, not a destination. It is a process that requires ongoing effort and commitment, but the rewards are well worth it. By embracing the power of consistency, you will be able to unlock your full potential, achieve your goals, and create a life that is truly remarkable. And so, young man, as you set out on your own journey, I offer you these final words of wisdom. May you walk in the light of knowledge. May you be guided by the power of consistency. And may you always remember that the only way to guarantee failure is to give up. With these principles as your guide, you will be unstoppable, and you will achieve greatness beyond your wildest dreams. Hasta la vista, friend.